In this video, I want to show you how you can delete a domain name or a WordPress website or even any website at all from Hostinger. So in the other videos, I added some websites or some domains to Hostinger, and now I want to remove them. And this is the fastest way to do it. So when you come to Hostinger, you don't really have the option to remove the domain because we did not actually add the domain manually. We basically just change the DNS to point it to Hostinger. So this domain is not actually inside of Hostinger. So for instance, if you come to domains here, if you come to the bottom, you see that this domain is somewhere. It says external domain. So ordinarily, if I had this domain in my Hostinger, I should be able to just see 3 dots here where I can just click on it and delete it, but I do not have that. So how do you now delete a website or a domain like that? So you want to come to the website here, and this is where you see all the websites that you have on Hostinger. So here, this is the website right here, and here if I just click on this, I can just click on delete. So I want to delete everything here on the website, like the free email plan, the other free email plans. So it says here, I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Emails can be recovered within 30 days. So if you're okay with this, you just click OK and delete. So I don't need this website here, so I'm going to delete it. So it says it can take up to 10 minutes for it to be deleted. But basically, as you can see, this website has been removed. So this is how you can actually delete a domain from Hostinger, or how you can delete a website from Hostinger. So let's check if we still have that domain there. So if you come to the bottom, you notice that you do not have that domain anymore. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video helps you, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.